Let's get designing. Create shape. Use shape tool. Easy circle, rectangle. Add image. Place image into shape layer. Clipping mask layer. Create clipping mask. Tweaks resize position. Effect want to create to logo with shape and image. Let's make it Adobe Photoshop. Place image onto shape layer. Layer create cleaning. Mask tweaks resize position effect. Want to create logo with shape and image. Let's make it in Adobe Photoshop. Place image into shape layer. Use shape tool. Easy circle. Let's get designing. Create shape. Use shape tool. Circle rectangle in Adobe Photoshop. Add image. Place image onto shape layer. Layer create clipping mask. Resize position effect in Adobe Photoshop.